I traded 3 of my eggs for other people's eggs. Or see, it's like the language is. Let's see, that is Japanese. Got those free from the link trade. So I'll get ready. When I start hatch, when I start the hatch, record again. Here's my setup. This is my setup, like getting ready for it. That's my setup. That was quick. Eggs gonna hatch. That was so quick. It was Eevee, but that was so quick. Already. Eevee was the first one. That was so quick. How about pause again? Whenever eggs gonna hatch. See, this one is Ruo, the sheep Pokemon. So this year, Pokemon Sword and Shield will be 3 years already. The last egg is ready. Finally. It's kind of late upload today. The late upload. Wooper. That's a classic original Johto Wooper. Wooper that was originally found in Johto region. That one's from the Johto region. Originally that was like Gen 2. And Pokemon Scarlet and Violet has a Paldean Wooper. So that's the Johto Wooper. So that's all 3 of them. Check the stats. This Eevee, Joy Nature for the sounds. Wooper, the classic Joe form, the classic one. Dragao Nature, female. Ruo, Modest Nature. I think that's good enough for the video. Actually, show what time it is. First, I end it. I need to check the time. It's alright, 11. Check the time. It's like nighttime already. Oh. It's 11:05. 11:05. This is like, that's why I said it's late upload. So now, that's it for the video.